Hi, welcome back to my channel, Daniel's Hungry. I'm Daniel, and today I am hungry for some ribs, baby. Oh yeah. So this recipe is super simple, easy to make, no time at all, guys. It doesn't take brains to make this happen, okay? So I'm gonna make it happen. So for today's ingredients, we're gonna be using apple juice, apple cider vinegar, and barbecue sauce. That's it, okay? And these ribs are gonna be amazing, fall off the bone, in your face, delicious. All right, guys, so I know there's a lot of different recipes out there that use dry rub and this and that. We're not gonna do that. We're just gonna be using the apple juice, apple cider, and barbecue sauce. So, that being said, if you guys want to add all that other stuff, by all means, go ahead. But this is the way I'm making it today. So let's get started. First off, we're going to open up this pack of pork back ribs. And then we're going to trim off the back fat that it has, okay? Or it's got a little lining in it. Okay, so we're going to set it down. So you see this little thing right here? We're gonna go ahead and trim it off or pull it off. See if we can do it without any issues, okay? Without any issues. Okay, we're having some issues, but we're gonna go ahead and trim this off. Let's see if we can do it. So we're gonna grab a napkin and come over here, grab it, and pull. You see how some of this stuff is coming off? We're gonna need to pull the whole deal off, okay? Like that. Bam. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and eat this. No, I'm just kidding. No, we're gonna throw this away. We don't need this. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna come over here to the Instantpot, okay? We're gonna go ahead and put 4 cups of apple juice. We're gonna go ahead and add the 4 cups, okay? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Damn, Daniel. It's like we already knew. Alright. And then for the apple cider vinegar, we're just gonna go 1, 2. And that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and put this thing on. Let's see. Push it. We're gonna put it on. Where the hell is saute at? There it is. Saute. Okay, and that's gonna bring it up to a boil. Once it starts boiling and stuff, we're go ahead and add our ribs in. Okay, so stay tuned. Alright guys, now that you see that it's boiling, we're gonna go ahead and stick our ribs in there, okay? We're gonna do the whole rib rack. And you see how this part is a bit thicker? We're gonna use that side to the bottom, okay guys? So we're gonna be very careful because this thing is hot. Okay? So we put it into the bath, and now we're gonna go ahead and close it. Put this thing on sealing. We're gonna put cancel, meat and stew, and we're gonna come down to 32 minutes. Okay? See, it's normal, it's on high. And we're just gonna let it cook, let it ride till it's done, okay guys? So we'll see you in 32 minutes. Alright guys, this thing is done. It's all vented out. So we're gonna go ahead and open it and see what we got here, guys. Check this out. See that stuff in there boiling? So now we're gonna go ahead and take it out. Okay, nice and easy. And we're gonna put it on here, piece of foil. and we're gonna brush on some KC Masterpiece barbecue sauce. Now you can use whatever barbecue sauce you want. Okay, this is what we like. This is what the brand we usually use for pretty much everything. So this is what we're gonna make it with, guys. So we're gonna brush it on. It's already looking like it's gonna fall off the bone, guys. Okay. But we're gonna brush this on both sides. And then we're gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay. And that'll kind of caramelize it. And then we can also add some more barbecue sauce after it's done. Alright guys, so we're just finishing up right here, putting the barbecue sauce on the other side. And check this out, guys, like this thing is already falling off the bone. Woo! So once it goes into the oven, 400 degrees, 10 minutes, we're gonna come out and we're gonna chow down. So see you in a bit. Alright guys, our ribs are out, check them out. We're just gonna go ahead and add a little more barbecue sauce to it, because we like them extra sticky. Alright, so remember it was 10 minutes at 400 degrees, guys. And they come out super soft, like, and it looks delicious. I mean, check this out, guys. Look. Falling off the bone, guys. Check that out. And here's gonna be my plate of ribs. That's my rack of ribs right there. Add a little more barbecue sauce. Yo. So let's go ahead and try this out, guys. Alright guys, I got my fork ready. Let's check it out. Hey, look. Bam, there goes the bone right there. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Heck yeah. The ribs are delicious. They're the bomb. And paired with these fries, those are hot. Whew. But really good. The pork is super tender, guys. Like, you saw the bone falling off of it. Really, really good. Right now, I'm only eating it with a fork because you guys are here, but in a little bit, all hands, baby. All hands on deck. So guys, thanks for all the support. Thanks for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on TikTok at danielgauna. And thanks for all the support, guys. You know, I'm not a real chef or anything. I'm just a normal guy that's hungry. Daniel's hungry. So remember, only the strong subscribe. Phew.